Hey guys, welcome back to Bay Box Breakers. Here's tonight's break of the ITG Captain C Hockey 11-12. Time of night is 10:17, Saturday, May 5th. 10:18, May 5th. I didn't get to watch. The Capitals won to tie the series 3-2 with the Rangers. So here we go with the break. I believe this is box number 8. I don't have any box breaks scheduled for tomorrow night. Next break will be on Monday. The ITG will probably be about 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So catch it on Monday night at 7. I just got in late. I was out at the Toronto Expo, so that was a pretty good experience. Lots of nice stuff, some huge collections, lots of old school stuff, which is nice to see. So this product has 10 cards per pack, just the one pack per box. There's 5 premium base foil cards, followed up by 5 memorabilia cards. So here we go. We got ourselves, to start out, Mark Messier, gold. Mark Messier, gold. Nice hit for Edmonton. We got Johnny Buick for Boston, silver. Boston Bruins, Buick. Base Gordie Howe for Detroit. Base Gordie Howe. Detroit Red Wings. We have for the Vancouver Canucks, we got Roberto Luongo, gold version. Bobby Lou, soon to be a Maple Leaf. Luongo for the Vancouver Canucks. We have for Boston again, we've got Milt Schmidt for Boston. We get in the memorabilia here. Start things out for the Red Wings from 77, 78. Oh, sorry, not the Red Wings, the Flames. We got Tom Liziak. On card auto. Liziak for the Calgary Flames. Very nice hit here. We've got a Dale Hawerchuk auto for the Winnipeg Jets. Dale Hawerchuk for the Jets. Nice hit. Here we have for the Boston Bruins, we got a game-used silver jersey, a white Zdeno Chara. Big Z-Man. Follow that up with a Calgary Flamehead again. Theo Fleury, 5'7", packed a huge punch though. Great hockey player. One of my favorites growing up. It's an all-red jersey. Theodore Fleury. We have a very nice hit coming up here. We've got for the New York Rangers, we've got a stick, and he used a wooden one, believe me. Looked like he corked it like he'd cork a bat. With a white and blue jersey, a Mark Messier. New York Rangers, Mark Messier, stick and jersey, silver version. So really nice overall box. I'll highlight it again. We got the stick and jersey from Mark Messier. Got the Theo Fleury for the Calgary Flames, game-used silver jersey. Got the Tom Liziak for the Flames. On-card auto for the Jets. We got ourselves Dale Hawerchuk for the Jets. On-card auto. And we have the Zdeno Chara. Game-used silver jersey, all white. We have the 2 base, Milt Schmidt and Johnny Buick. With the Gordie Howe for Detroit. Base. Mark Messier again. This one's for Edmonton though. Gold version. And then we have Roberto Luongo for the Canucks. So once again, my next break will be on Monday night, commencing about 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Just take a look on eBay, or if you join my Facebook page, it should be on there as well. So nice sticking jersey for Messi, the highlight of that box. So thanks again for your bids, guys. I should have this break out to you momentarily. Have yourselves a good night.